Thought you said you weren't gonna make that many beans today.
What?
You said you weren't gonna make that many.
No, I know it. I don't know.
What happened?
My hand just went and went.
Your head just went and went.
Yeah.
And you said I'm gonna make 85 pounds of beans today.
Oh, that's not 85.
How much is it?
I would say that 10, 15.
10 or 15. Okay. Who wants beans? You got more in here. Woo!
This gives you a lot of gases.
What do you mean gases? Like fart?
Yeah.
Did you put the onion in there already?
No, no. They're only half cooked, not yet.
You put them in afterwards?
No, before. What do you want?
I'm watching you do it. Isn't that heavy?
Oh,
Wow. You're stronger than you tell
I'm
people.
stronger than you.
Yeah, you are. Woo! There's the onions.
You know, they're real good after they're done, like soup.
The beans?
You get the beans.
And they're very liquid. But that onion adds all the flavor, huh?
Yeah. I already put salt in it.
With your salt, water, beans, and onion. No lard?
No, not till I fry it.
That's right. See, why can't all Mexican girls cook like you, huh?
And I'm a true Mexican.
A Mexicana?
Hey, malalada. Say bad words and all that. I had it out with Rick, so I can kick his ass.
Damn! No beans for him, huh?
No.
What if Rick says he's sorry? Lo siento, mi amor.
I'd say, no, I don't want to talk to you. Forget it. He'll never change. Are you kidding?
Alright, so we're back. Now this is the part where you take the beans you made yesterday and then you put them you fry them.
I fry them. I put the beans in. Then I put cheese,
What else did you put in here? Sour cream and lard?
sour cream and cheese after I make them.
So that's what you're doing now.
No, not yet. After I put them in the container.
My mistake. What'd you already mix in here?
Just beans with lard.
Lard, okay.